Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Jojo with
And Shruti. What's up, Joe?
Talha Anjum. Just decided to make
Yeah.
our life hell out of nowhere.
Why
Uh,
make a life hell?
because I had so many songs on my request list from the last month, and now he has dropped an EP with two songs.
I just don't get it only. I don't get how you get
Well,
flustered. Like
oh,
where
it's
I'm
fine.
like, new song, new song. You're like, Arey, my life is hell. Arey, now to we have to like you're
But
very cute. You're very
I
like emotionally invested in your lists.
but I must say the TA fans have been very nice. They're like, आपको jump time मिले आप करना.
Oh,
No
so
rush.
cute.
Very cute.
Nice,
So ठीक है
nice.
हम जल्दी कर रहे हैं just because it's Talha Anjum. So we also can't. I can't wait. So I come out to listen now. Um,
Oh,
And
lovely.
okay, it's with Umair. Both the songs, we're gonna do both the songs in this video because it's a two
Yay.
song EP, might as well.
Yes, double
And
treat.
the EP is called Worth the Wait. So hells yeah. He's already hyped
Okay.
it. So he says worth the wait. Chalo.
हाँ,
But this is the EP drop before his album. So he's saying the album will be worth the wait. Yeah, ye do gaane are worth the wait. Listen to this now. Jo bhi hai.
maybe both.
Sold.
हाँ, correct.
Sold. 4 a.m. in Karachi. Let's do it. And then we'll do the next one. It's called Death Wish.
Yeah, yeah. I
Ready?
like how worth the wait is written. अच्छा no, that's a ऊपर का thing. I was like नहीं तो phone के ऊपर specially उन्होंने artwork के अंदर नीचे worth the wait वहाँ पे लगाया placard नहीं, but that's probably ऊपर से they've kind of written it. Can you see it?
I can see it. It's two times
हाँ,
it's
ऊपर से है.
cancelled.
हाँ, correct. चलो, let's go.
Okay, 4 a.m. in Karachi. 1, 2, 3, play.
You close. I don't know if what we had was real. You wanna be somewhere I wanna see. Honestly, every time I've been thinking on my mind. Every time, won't you hear it's on my mind all the time?
ये बाग को तू शाख मत दिखा, छोटे मुझे आंख मत दिखा, तू रोशनी मत डाल मेरी ज़ात पे, तू सूरज को चिराग मत दिखा, हिसाब कर चुका अपने अमाल का, बेहद गुनाहगार बेहद खताकार बहस बेकार I'm the king of this shit. कुछ भी स्क्रिप्टेड नहीं है फिर भी लगे फिल्म ये कितने लाइल्म है वो मेरी विजन से वो तो हंसा करते थे मेरे जिक्र पे बिग डॉग्स पेने 200 लिकर पे लड़के बातें करते सारी देर I'm bigger than उनके आज़म उनके चेहरों पे दिख रहे पर इनकी पहुंच में ना बॉय तेरा वैसे भी They said they're married to the game पर ये कैसा नवा कॉम्प्लेक्स जहाँ वो चाहते numbers It's not about the legacy I'm that same kid पैसे जोड़े for recordings cause I meant it घर में स्टूडियो बनाया I don't rent it Going in and out of city and it's hectic एंटी अब भी करते शक कितने skeptic तेरे fans को क्या याद तेरी set list Rockstar lifestyle and I'm reckless 20 minutes in your party and I Brexit देख mentality I was 13 with a headphone and a handheld mic और बेतहाशा audacity Now they keep asking me मैं कैसा करूं feel छोटे I'm good अभी इधर हैं तो इधर के हम बाप लोग And when I'm gone तो कहानियाँ सुनाएंगे तुम्हें जो वो चले थे मेरे साथ लोग तुझे यारों में क्या भाई मिले जिनके दिलों में सफाई मिले ना ही मिले तुझे सांप तेरे रास्ते में तुझे जब भी मिले भाई बस दुआ ही मिले लोगों से होता नहीं अब एल्बम का वेट और But as an artist मेरी अपनी mental state और 36 बीटे 36 बातें पीठ पीछे फीचर एंज मंगनो जिमे मैं वड्डा जे कोल I just sit back and think कितने मुझसे खार खाएंगे Came from nothing रब की नेमत बेहिसाब भाई पे I got everything I need मुझे क्या चाहिए दिल की गली में बराए करम ना आइए I just sit back and think कितने मुझसे खार खाएंगे Came from nothing रब की नेमत बेहिसाब भाई पे I got everything I need मुझे क्या चाहिए दिल की गली में बराए करम ना आइए
man.
Mm.
Yeah. Caught both of us off guard.
What was that? I swear I haven't heard the first 5-6 lines. I was just that yeah shocked the hell out of me. I couldn't recover from it for a good bit.
Listen,
Ha.
Tala Anjum na is something else. And him with Umer's music in this one is fantastic. And I love that he kept the song
Mm.
not too long and not too short, but also not
Mm.
too long.
Yeah.
Like, it's the right amount where it leaves you wanting more.
Yeah.
And yet, like, it's just, he's so grounded, yeah. Like, the more you hear and like how he's talking about that, how they've reached that, but he's still the same guy. And you know that he's not faking it because there is such honesty in his words and the way he's describing it that it's almost like he's so famous and like he's hit it big time. Like they've like, even as youngsters, as individuals, they have also become like so big,
Mm.
Tala Anjum and Tala Yunus. And just like, but their personalities are so different because as youngsters, usually we'd never get to know ki kaun kaisi personality hai, it will like, we just like kind of imagining it.
Yeah.
But now that they're doing separate songs, individual songs as well, इन गानों में उनकी जो पूरी पर्सनालिटी है अलग अलग से वो कितनी छन के बाहर आती है. I
Mm.
love it. I love it.
Mm.
Listen, Tala Anjum is just like, he's just, I like you said, na, first 2 minutes you were shocked and you couldn't, like, through the song, there was two of me. One was very focusedly listening to the song, absorbing everything, what he's speaking, the meaning, the music. The other side of me was like, wow. The other side of me was just like constantly like, wow, his voice, wow, it's sounding so good. Wow. It's just, okay, I'm like huge fangirling though has happened always forever. And like, and yet again, he's just too good. He's just too good.
Yeah. I didn't
Like,
know.
totally, yeah,
I
yeah.
didn't know he's going to start with it and he's going to take the bassiness and the voice and up it 10 notches. What the hell happened with this? Yeah. Oh my God. And the thing is, I was so in the zone with the music and the
Yeah.
vocals that were going
Yeah.
on. I was like, Umair, what are you doing here? Umair, whose voice is this? I was just having these thoughts and I was
Yeah.
like, man, I like the lines. Like, whoa, this is a good like vibe.
Yeah.
I was feeling that so completely. I was not expecting the yeah.
But tell me something, the English words, lyrics was sung by who? Umair?
I don't know. That's what I was wondering.
Because, yeah,
not
so even
written
I was
here.
wondering about that. And I kept scrolling up and down looking ki kisne gaya because clearly that was not Tala Anjum. It did not sound
No,
like
it
him.
was not. There
It
was
couldn't have been
additional
him.
vocals from
It
someone
was
else.
sung really well, unless it's Umair. Maybe,
So
I don't know. But
Was
like,
it
it was
Umair?
really
We don't know.
very smooth, very well, like very nicely. It was a perfect start to a Tala Anjum level ka intro, like it went really well to the point where I was like, who is this person? And I'm surprised that there's no mention anywhere, which is very surprising. Yeah.
Listen, I
मतलब ये Tala
can't.
Anjum तो नहीं था 100%. Like
Yeah,
वो
नहीं
आवाज
था,
नहीं थी, वो
नहीं
बोलने
था,
का
but
तरीका
it
नहीं
was such
था.
a good, it was such good,
Very
like
nice.
I don't think it was
Yeah.
Umair. It could have been actually because we've heard Umair on the hook of some track, which we thought, okay, anyway, whatever.
Anyway, for a second I thought it's Abdullah Siddiqui, remember? Like
Abdullah
from Pop
Marvi.
Studio? Marvi, yeah. So for a second I was like, is it him?
But
And
then
then
they
I
would
was
have
like,
written his
फालतू में.
name. I
Exactly. I was like, फालतू में दिमाग के घोड़े दौड़ाने की जरूरत नहीं है.
I know.
Pause.
I feel like maybe they've like taken some samples from, I don't know whose voice. Just if Umair
Yeah.
or
Please tell us.
Tala Anjum, I don't know if they'll comment, but yeah, just tell
Yeah.
us, people, if you know. And we loved it. I was in that zone. I was just loved. Like,
Yeah.
this is a very different sound. It's perfect for a rainy day. Suddenly, yeah comes in, and my senses were
Duk
jolted.
happens.
And then for 5-6 slides, I forgot where I was. Like, oh my God, what's happening? And then I got into it, and I was like, one second, he's saying things. Hold on.
Don't just lust after the voice. कुछ कह भी रहा है बंदा, सुन लो.
Nahi, it's not even the voice because now I'm over the
It's the
voice.
yeah.
The voice is a given. It's the
Oh, it came back yeah with this song.
I know. But I was
Yeah.
like, listen, ये बहुत ही real. वो mid career crisis सबके life में हो रहा है, which we have been talking about in the reactions we recorded this week. I feel like because this generation of the rappers has reached a certain height, there's that growth period of what has the career
Amounted to.
given us to
Yeah.
reflect on. So that
Yeah.
reflection is happening in so many songs right now, be
Right.
it a Divine, be it a Tala, a Yunus, be it a Anjum. be it other people we've covered this week. So itna ho raha hai that I feel like is this a pivoting point in the scene right now, you know, because the younger ones are being encouraged and they're reaching that bracket 1. Bracket 2 mein version 2 of the longer
already established and already famous artist
is now
Correct.
shining through and so beautifully. Just look
Yeah.
at the lyrics of this song, even though it's not stuff that is you know, that hasn't been said before, but there is a different kind of depth in there's a different kind of how do you say, pensive, um you know, time lapse sort of टाइम लैप्स वाली फील आ रही है. इट्स नॉट लाइक मैं अभी सीन में आया हूँ और मैंने लाइफ में ये नाउ दैट टाइम लैप्स ऑफ मैं सीन में एस्टैब्लिश्ड हूँ और उस टाइम पीरियड में इतना मैंने देखा है और सीखा है, वो आ रहा है लिरिक्स में अब.
Correct.
So that's what I mean. And of course voice, just I can't now anymore. I can't.
I'm
So-
excited for Death Wish now.
I'm excited for Death Wish. I just want to see. There's some lines which I loved. I think he said something like, "मैं हूँ सूरज, मुझे चिराग मत दिखाओ." Then he said कि ये कुछ scripted नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी film लग रही है. Like, love those kind of lines. I'm gonna go over the lyrics offline, guys, because we have one more song to cover. But that whole married to the game and that Casanova complex thing that happened, that they don't want legacy, they want numbers. Like the thoughts, man, the thoughts. And then
Amazing.
And then something like मैं था अपना handheld mic with headphones up मेरे घर में, and then it's just so nice.
I'm so glad that they give lyrics na साथ में, because it's true that sometimes like when I was going through the lyrics as we were listening, not just because it's so that आपको auditory senses तो सुनते ही हैं, you know, गाना easily ऐसे समझ आ रहा है, but when you're also visually reading it, it kind of on two levels you're absorbing the song that much more.
That much more.
So like yeah. So I'm so glad that they do that. I think it's an excellent practice.
Yeah. I like that whole like भाई मेरे जिनके दिल में सफाई है, that whole line over there. I'm just trying to remember, there were so many beautiful thoughts and moments in this song, and just the music that Umair gave. I think Umair and Talha Anjum's combination is like
very nice.
It's getting very legendary vibes are coming.
Correct.
You know, ये बहुत आगे जाएगी ये जोड़ी together, because
there's like a good layer in there.
Did you? Because I think no other place was the first one, that beach wala, which, you know, then we saw the Nevermind hard vibes, and then I think the last one was Painkillers, and Painkillers like killed us.
Wow.
They're complementing
very different stuff.
Correct. And like totally doing justice to each other's zone. Umair, man, he's really young and he's killing it in the scene. Okay, let's, without further ado, Death Wish ki sun lete hain. Then we can
It sounds so wrong, na, saying I'm excited about Death Wish. No, but like, yeah, it's just
somebody has a Death Wish. I feel this vibe will be very different. Let's see. Okay.
Ready.
1, 2, 3, play. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. I was ready.
It's your boy.
It's your boy.
आतिश फिशां bringing heat बड़ी देर से, मुश्किल कुशां साथ मेरे कोई भिड़े ना इस शेर से, जुड़ा हुआ शहर की आवाज से, मैं नहीं जुड़ा किसी भी जमात से, शहर से इंसाफ कैसे मांगू, मेरे शहर को इंसाफ नहीं मिला मेरे सामने, हकदार ही नहीं ये इख्तियार के, ये शहर बड़ा हुआ बिना बाप के, सब नोच खाएं कौन इसका साथ क्या है, नशा मिले आसानी से मुश्किल मिले पार्किंग, it's funny but it's true, कभी छाँव कभी धूप, कभी खून जम जाए कभी बहे तो रुके ही ना, सोचा तो करो, बड़े फायर ओवर सेल फोन्स, जिंदगी की कीमत ये, रोजी रोटी के लिए जो निकले वो जान ले के यहाँ जिंदगी गनीमत है, सिस्टम ये fucked, I say fuck the system, चौकीदार चोर हुक्मरान चोर व्यापारी मिनिस्टर्स, ब्यूरोक्रेसी फेसलेस, इनके प्लान सारे बेसलेस, पॉलिसीज सारी नाकिस, झूठ बोलते हैं I can see it on their faces, lot of lines crossed, lot of lives lost, मौला मदद कर, this shit is ticking like a time bomb, is there peace या फिर एक जंग और क्या जीने का है एक ढंग और, मेरे झंडे में है हरा और सफेद तुम्हें दिखता है क्यों उसमें एक रंग और, भरे ऐवान में है एक गम खार, यहाँ बने खानदान ठेकेदार, यहाँ चोर के मुहाफिज सूबेदार, यहाँ लगे नहीं क्या लाशों के अंबार पहले, यहाँ गिरी नहीं क्या घरों की दीवार पहले, यहाँ मरे नहीं क्या लोग बेमौत क्यों हैं लोग बेखौफ अपने रब के अजाब से, जरूरत लेके आए कैसे मोड़ पे, मुस्तहिक की कमर कैसे तोड़ दे, बोल माँ के पेट से क्या वो चोर थे? अब हाथ में है असला और घर में है फाका, वो मौका वारदात भी नहीं छोड़ते।
इमरान खान फायरिंग का मालूम अफराद ने फायरिंग करके शहरी शरीफ कीनिया में हाथ से निजाम
Man, that went somewhere I was not expecting.
Me neither. Like it became really serious and very like. So the two strong thing, like the message of the entire song, and on a lighter note, the constant ad-libbing that was going on, like those two were the highlights of the song. The music was, of course, really, really good. But the moment it started, initially, it didn't get political or like, get so focused about a mudda. Pehle it was like generic, right? So that time, a lot of those, so pehle a lot of those ad-libs and everything that was going on, it was still entertaining. But entertaining is a very loose word for it, because it was constantly had your attention and it was pulling, like it pulled me in. And I was like, yeah, ye baat kya ho rahi hai? And then, second half of the song got very, very, very intense. And then wo break ke baad jo end ka wo aaya, I was like, gaana to khatam ho gaya, to why is it still showing like a little bit? And then I was like, oh, like it got very, very intense. But I mean, see, in such a voice with that skill level and the caliber, when one uses it to give voice to a certain mudda that's important to a person, I think that's the whole point of having all that skill set and to be, to actually use it. So it's putting a lot of thoughts, in my head and like questions regarding just the state of things. Yeah.
I have to say that the theme of this song completely surprised me as it progressed after the first few lines, because when I think the first 10 lines or so were about the sheher, and I was like, oh, so and we've heard Karachi related songs from him before. He clearly feels very strongly for his city, which is as one does. But suddenly, because we just heard 4 a.m. in Karachi, which is interesting now when I think about it, because again, Karachi is right there in the title. And now he's gone into Death Wish, which is about the sheher and probably the country and the state of affairs, which is, I didn't expect it at all, because almost like the first track was journey, self-talk, like his journey related and his learnings and lessons and life realities, moving into the life realities of his country / sheher. And I won't say it was an expression of angst or frustration. It was almost emotionless in that it was just stating the reality.
Yeah.
So there's a difference when you're like, oh, I hate this and I don't like this and da-da-da and da-da-da.
When you're whining or complaining. Yeah.
Versus ye hai or ye ho raha hai or ye aisa hai or ye, in that sort of almost monotonous voice also, where you're just relaying it. You may be giving an opinion in it, but it's very straight. So that kind of delivery had me thinking like, man, he is it's not a great situation that he's portraying in the lyrics, and that is the reality. But the way he's talking about it, it's not making me feel like wo mudda utha raha hai or morcha nikalne ke liye, like he's trying to get it.
He's not riling people up.
He's not riling people up. He's just giving you,
he's just talking about what he's feeling.
He's just giving you thoughts. And like you said, as soon as it forced you to go into a thought-provoking wala zone ban gaya.
Yeah.
So very well done, and I must say very unexpected from like a random surprise EP that he dropped. When the artist goes into selfless zones and thinks about bigger things or talks about bigger things, bigger picture things, I call it a selfless zone, because it's not about the self anymore. No?
Yeah.
It's
beyond the self. Correct.
It's very nice to see. So
Talanjum has done that in the past as well, right? There's always been that hint of, correct.
He's
In a lot
clearly
of the songs.
and you use, like, I mean, hip hop and rap was used to highlight social issues and
Exactly.
you know, things that needed to be talked about. So I
Yeah.
think the way he's using his art to do that, brilliant. And the fact that it had the same vocals and the same kind of scene set from the first track,
Yeah.
it
Yeah.
just the two have beautifully merged with each other.
Correct. But yet, like,
Intentionally
such
done.
different feels.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice.
I mean, the yeah aside, there's a separate fan base for that. And this this whole EP, the 2-track thing, um, I would like, I would go so far as saying it's a case study project, because I don't know if I've seen anyone kind of release something one as a surprise like this, with a soundscape like this, that kind of the sound collages are merging together beautifully in both the tracks of the EP, and in the lyrical spaces being so thought-provoking. But okay, I've said enough, but like, I'm trying to get my thoughts.
Yes.
And
I know, I
I'm
know.
pausing too
Yeah.
much, but beautiful, man.
Yes.
And now if he's dropping stuff like this as a random EP
हाँ.
drop, what मतलब album क्या होगी? वही मैं सोच रही हूँ, एल्बम में कितने गाने होंगे और कितने टॉपिक्स पे होंगे और कितना हमें सोचने पे मजबूर करेंगे, is what I'm thinking.
You know, songs leave you like, what a song to like finish this reaction with, because if you would have first heard this and then heard the earlier one, you know, the vibe would have been so different. But
Yeah.
now it's like full aisa dimag mein abhi ghus gaya hai. Like it's really like pushed you into that zone. So which is
Yeah.
good actually. Like that's the power of music, right?
Also, yeah, I'm gonna have to go over the lyrics offline. There were a lot of Urdu words in this, so if
Yeah.
anyone has the list of Urdu words, please DM me.
Please
So
wait.
yeah, because we have to wrap up our recording. But man, Anjum, man. Okay.
Yeah,
Not
yeah.
gonna fangirl anymore, but the yeah.
Yeah, I to will.
Okay, sorry. She will. Then I'll also try. Very nice. Umair and Anjum combination. Can't wait to see what they keep doing with each other. There's so
Yes.
much, like, they're so young. Anyway, okay, on that note, man, tell us when the album is dropping if you know. We want
Yeah.
to know as well.
Yeah.
And take care of you. Something else I wanted
We'll
to
see
say.
you next time. Duk,
I
duk, duk.
know. I don't know
That's
why
all.
I'm zoning out so much. I think it's
I think now the
Oh.
pressure of what you have to do after this coming up.
also because, like, we had a gap, even though you and I came, we should talk about this because it's probably the first reaction. We had a gap. The gap was unintentional. That was not planned. The daily videos were going to happen, but whatever, circumstances changed. So now don't fret. Daily videos at the same regular time are going to happen.
Tension mat lo. It's all good, huh? We're back now. Like,
It's all
officially and genuinely.
we are. Samad, you know, that comment was really funny. 3 दिन की चांदनी दिखा के फिर अंधेरी रात कर गए, आप कहाँ गए? And I was laughing. That made me crack up all good times. So don't worry about it. We are back and we will stay back. So yeah, that's the
We'll stay back
final-
only. Okay then.
We're not leaving this
Bye.
party. Okay, live long and
We'll
prosper.
live on YouTube. Okay, bye.
Every time, won't you hear it's on my mind all the time?
Yeah.